It just happens. You used to be in shape and looking good. But then you got busy with work, kids, life got in the way. And maybe there were a few too many hamburger and milkshake combos during the commute home. Hey, it happens to the best of us. But that doesn't mean you have to give up on yourself. You want to do something about it, but forget the gym with the same boring machines, the monotonous treadmill. It's torture to watch that countdown timer. Everybody's zoned out with their headphones on, the annoying selfie takers, and that guy who's always sweating all over everything. Ew. And running. Where are you going? There's an alternative that you'll be happy to wake up for and won't skip on the way home from work. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu with Coach Alvarez and his expert instructors at Alvarez Jiu-Jitsu. Yeah, it's a martial art, but we're not going to teach you how to beat people up. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu is the ideal way to get in shape and eat healthier. When you're on the mat, you don't even realize you're working out, even though you're working just about every muscle in your body and burning fat like crazy. At Alvarez Jiu-Jitsu, you'll find a friendly and supportive atmosphere and a fun way to get in shape and lose weight, with both men's and women's classes. Another big difference from the gym. Here, your class becomes your group. It's like a family. There's camaraderie and friendly competition and accountability. You'll come to class because your teammates are counting on you to help them become better. And they'll encourage you as well to stick with your health and fitness goals because, as they say, iron sharpens iron. Plus, you can't forget the impact training you'll have on your mental health. When you're on the mat, you leave life's troubles behind. And there's nothing like Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu to boost self-esteem and confidence. It's time to get in shape, and this is the perfect way. It's time to get with the program. Just visit www.alvarezbjj.com or call 817-308-0663 to find out more and get details on our 30-day free trial.